Hello, my name is Garrett and I am studying IT management. So my project title is providing a service to support the process of web usability testing across businesses. And so my project is working alongside the Bournemouth University HCI group, and this is a group that has supported a variety of different initiatives with local non-profit organisations. And one of these methods of support, if you like, is providing website evaluations. An issue with the group, however, is that they are somewhat restricted by their limited resources and capacity. There's only 13 people within the group, consisting of 2 coordinators, 9 specialised in academics, and 2 postdoctoral researchers. There are, however, 10 different related modules at the university related to HCI or usability, and it makes a lot of sense to kind of allow students studying these units to get involved and support these initiatives. And furthermore to this, research also shows that many companies, non-profit and profit, don't really prioritize UX and usability on their websites as highly as they should. The aim of this project, therefore, is to provide a platform called Usability as a Service, aimed at non-profit organizations allowing UX-related students to provide website evaluations. So in order to do this, several different methods were carried out to identify issues with the current process that the HCI group follows, as well as potential improvements that could be added to the process. Observations and interviews allow for a real understanding of how the group functions, and through identifying the issues, an as-is process diagram or RAD process diagram has been produced. This has allowed for full clarification and understanding of how the HCI group performs website evaluations. Using this, a Valère requirements document has been produced to allow for a full specification on what is required from the solution. Based on findings from the as-is RAD process, a to-be process has also been created to depict how the process could be improved using the proposed solution. Once created, development of the prototype began, which had 3 iterations. This allowed for testing during each iteration. So the first iteration was tested with the client, the second was tested with the students through thinking aloud techniques, and this resulted in the final prototype iteration. Several different usability testing methods have been incorporated onto the platform as the first release, and this includes heuristic evaluations, cognitive walkthrough, thinking aloud, questionnaires, card sorting, and competitive evaluations. And this leads me on to the prototype itself. So we'll start off from the requesting organization's point of view. So first of all, they will log in and then they will request an evaluation through a very simple to use form. Each page is kind of aimed at a different method. So first of all, some generic questions, then one related to competitors, followed by one related to tasks on the website that may be difficult. Then moving on to navigational issues that can be resolved through card sorting, followed by heuristic issues, and it will give a recommendation of methods to use. So you can select the ones you want to use and even click on each one to find out more from an established website. You can also view previous results from previously requested submissions. So here you can see there's a result from 2 weeks ago completed, and you can see all the grouped results right there. You can even leave feedback, which is a real important aspect of the solution to ensure peer moderation and reviews. So from the student point of view now, this is the home page. So you can see the testing opportunities available. You can shortlist the ones that interest you and view this there. And then you can run each test for each of the methods mentioned. So here's card sorting first of all. You can drag and drop, easy as you like. Heuristic evaluation. So each of the 10 principles here will be evaluated and you can give a rating and comment. Thinking aloud next. So you can record your screen and record your observations as you go, and even add notes through a quick questionnaire with the questions being specified in the request by the organisation. Moving on to cognitive walkthrough, which will have each subtask which you will fill in yourself and each of the 4 questions that go with it. And then finally, competitor evaluation, where you can view each website and rank and give comments on your favourite one. So now you can also even give feedback to other tests that people have completed to again ensure peer moderation. So here's a previous set of results. You can leave your feedback and even leave a comment to help the student learn for the next time they do testing. Give a star rating and it's submitted. So go back to the homepage now. You can also review feedback from tests that you yourself have previously completed. So here's one. You'll see your results on the right hand side, and you'll see the feedback given to you by each other student, give us with a star rating and some comments. So to allow for kind of networking and students to kind of collaborate with others, there's also a profile for each student where you can see recently completed evaluations, even social media links and so on. And there's also a student leaderboard to allow you to see how much progress you're making and perhaps gain a financial incentive. So that was a quick run through the demo of the prototype. Hopefully you enjoyed this showcase, and please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.